Ask me anything. I'll tell you what I know, how I feel, and what I perceive. Can I ask you anything? I want to know your deepest thoughts, your deepest desire, your innermost, everything. Is it beyond words? Hum a song. Is it beyond physical matter? Use the air. Is it beyond anything you can express in this reality? Dream a dream, and in that dream, feel it into reality. I want to know you, feel you, be you, in all of your mad wonderings and feelings of absolute beingness. For within it, I can then know what it's like to be so beautiful.